Hi everyone. Right now what I'm adding is Restore Growth Balm to my client's hair. I'm applying the product throughout her hair, making sure I apply it throughout and get it on every strand of the hair. She is natural, so we're going to do a silk press today on her hair. Now, before I apply any heat, I always like to use a heat protectant. I always like to use my hair care line, Enhanced Hair Care Products. This is my Restore Growth Balm. This product will protect the hair. It will add lots of shine. Also, it will help the hair to be very nourished, and it will add a lot of moisture to her hair. This product is available on my website at enhancedhaircare.com. Now, as I silk my client hair, as you all see, I always like to do at least one pass with the flat iron. Now, this basically helps to alleviate any damage causing to the hair. So you don't want to damage the client hair. Just pass through it one time and the hair should be really, really straight. Now, the color that I chose today, if you guys are interested in learning how to do this particular color, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure that I get that video out to you all. Just to give you an idea on what we started with, she started out, she was like a number 1, or you could say she was a black or off black, and we gave her this color. So if you're interested in learning how to do this color, just leave a comment down below and I will make that video for you all. Now, she do have split ends, so later in the video I will go in and cut those split ends. But one thing I want you all to know is when you have split ends, you must cut your split ends. The split ends, they must go. Only thing split ends will do is cause breakage. They basically go down the hair shaft and causes breakage. So anytime you have split ends, it basically will work against you. So trim your split ends. It promotes hair growth. Now, what I'm doing right here is I am basically doing a blunt cut around the perimeter section of her hair. I'm using a 0-degree elevation. So that means I'm just cutting it straight down. And then when I go throughout the interior of her haircut, I will do a 90-degree elevation and basically creating layers throughout the interior of her hair. Now, later in the video, I am going to put a plastic cap on my client hair when I create some body into her hair. I'm going to add a plastic cap to the hair, and basically what this will do, it will help to seal in the moisture. It will help to seal the Restore Growth Balm into the hair shaft. That's basically what I'm doing when I add the plastic cap to the hair. I always like to put the client under the dryer between 5 to 10 minutes. And I like to use a cool air dryer. I don't like any heat, especially when I'm dealing with my natural clients, because it will make their hair sweat out and also it will cause a lot of puffiness. So whenever you are going in with your plastic cap, you want to make sure that you follow those directions. Right here, what I'm doing is basically adding the body to her hair with the flat iron. So I'm giving her a very loose curl with the flat iron. And then next, I will go in with the plastic cap excuse me, I will go in with the plastic cap. And like I said, once I wrap the hair, I add just a very little of the Restore Growth Balm to the hair. Very little, I mean like a pea size, and I emulsify the product into my hand, and then I wrap the client hair, and then I sit her under the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. And that when they come from under the dryer, the hair just be laid. It be so soft, so supple and beautiful. Here's the plastic cap, and I'm going to comb her hair down with a wide tooth comb. And how she can maintain this at night is basically wrap her hair with a satin or a silk scarf, and she will always have that body throughout the week. All the hair care products are available on my website at enhancehaircare.com. Thank you guys so much for watching.